Houston International Airport. The local time is 5:46. We do ask that you stay comfortably seated until the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check the seat pocket and other storage areas to ensure you do have all of your belongings. Use care when retrieving items from the overhead bin, as contents may have shifted during their flight. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you are sitting in the exit row, do not plug your devices into the outlets. Once you arrive at the gate, we'll hand you off to our airport team, and they'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. We will be arriving at the international terminal. Since this is your first stop into the U.S., everyone needs to claim any checked bags and go through customs. If you're connecting to another flight, you'll have to recheck your bags in the recheck area right before the exit and go through security again before connecting onto your flight. If you're connecting to an international flight with United or ANA, your bag will be transferred to your international, United, or ANA flight automatically.